What's going on, my fellow nerd? Shadow here with another cool little unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Lego Technics. Now, a little bit about the Technics. They are Lego's more kind of advanced building kits. And I first heard about these a couple days ago when I saw a Technics Porsche model that is unfortunately really expensive and I'm not buying it. But I did get my hands on this cool little, what's it called? Ultralight helicopter, there we go. That was relatively cheap, and it still looks cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at this box right here. Is the front of it. Like I said earlier, it's the Technics brand. It is just under 200 pieces. There's the side. Other side. Top, bottom's not important. And now let's go ahead and look at the back. You see there's actually two ways you can build it. Kind of like a little plane, ultralight plane, and then of course the helicopter. So let's go ahead and, if we can, crack this bad boy open. Oh, look at that. This is kind of cool. See right here? There's a little thing where you just pop it open like that, and that's actually super cool. So here's a little sneak peek at what's inside, and let's go for it. Boom, there we go. That's everything that was in there. Set that to the side. Cool. So first things first, we get stickers. Awesome. Oh wow, each version has its own separate manual, I think. So there's the ultralight helicopter. That's the one that I thought was pretty interesting. Set that aside. And this is the little ultralight plane that you can also turn it into. That's pretty cool. Now, this reminded me of those little Mega Construx Pokemon. I actually have a Gyarados that I've been meaning to unbox for quite a while, but I've been a little busy. So we have 3 total bags. Here's the medium one, some rods and little pieces. The mini bag with the, looks like these guys move. And then here's the main bag with the bigger pieces. And what's cool about this guy is that it actually has like a little motor. It doesn't run electrically, but it does function with gears, so the propellers move. That's pretty cool. So anyways, that's it for this unboxing. This is the Lego Technics Ultralight. I look forward to building it, and stay tuned for more videos like this one. See y'all next time.